In the hush of dawn, 'neath the sky's soft glow, rolling hills arise, and cool breezes blow. The moors whisper tales, in heather they're dressed, serene and untouched, in tranquility blessed. Through cobbled streets, where time's echo rings, ancient cities breathe, and history sings. From Roman ruins to castles in the sky, each stone a story, 'neath the watchful eye. A city's heart beats, vibrant and vast, a tapestry woven from threads of the past. Bustling streets, landmarks standing with pride, neighborhoods diverse, side by side they reside. From Stonehenge's stones, where mysteries dwell, to cathedrals grand, with stories to tell. A journey through time, where past meets the now. In each hallowed hall, we silently bow. Along the coastline, where sea meets the land, waves crash on cliffs, and beaches of sand. Seaside towns charm, with tales of the brine. In the whispers of the sea, England's heart doth shine.